Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you want to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open setting application on your iPhone. Here is the interface. Simply tap on focus, and here is tap on plus icon top right corner and tap on custom, and simply write here you want to add on your lock screen. My name is Muhammad Alam. I am writing Muhammad Alam. You can see, and simply you can see appears on screen, and tap on here and tap on next and customize focus, and here guys simply tap on choose, and now select the wallpaper which you have to uh, create your name on low screen. I am this one, and simply tap on done top right corner. Here you can see Muhammad Alam focus on lock screen created simply here, and you can see Muhammad Alam. Here you can see appears on screen. You can change name, a color, and any one color you can change. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.